lovely customers, this is Rachel. How time flies. The first quarter is coming in the next door. So maybe all of you are busy at preparing this coming peak season. 2021's peak season was not as good as 2020. So hope this coming peak season will be better than last year. Although the pandemic still be with us, but as the old saying said, tomorrow will be a better day. So in today's video, we will bring you a brand new material which had been developed by Lopo for almost 2 years. It is a fabric, but waterproofed and has leather fitting. So the key point is that the cost is like a fabric instead of pure leather. So honestly, I'm a little bit excited and do love this material. Personally, I have been testing this material for more than half a year. Before introducing more details about this new material, I would like to share the story about this new material. Actually, the idea was from one of our lovely customers, Nigel from UK. He's doing business with his lovely daughter, Jessie, who is a very professional graphic designer. I do love all of her designs. They sell lots of our linen pillowcases with their printed original design by Jessie. One day, Nigel asked me, Rachel, why don't you can develop a pillowcases that as cheap as fabric, but waterproofed, so that people can put them into their yard? You know, UK is a raining country, so waterproof is very, very important. From that day, to develop a material which is waterproofed and as cheap as fabric came into my mind. Then the journey begins. First, we found the fabric which has leather fitting, and secondly, we need to make sure that it is heat resistant. And the most important part is we need to develop a special coating to make the products to be printed well by sublimation, safe for our daily use and waterproofed. The hardest part we had been took was the coating development. You know, sublimation is a tech which is using high temperature to turn the liquid to gas, and then transfer the image from paper to substrate. So we almost give it up after hundreds of testing. Sometimes it is waterproofed, but the color do not print it well. Sometimes the print goes well, but the color is very easy to fade away. Lots of problems and times to try, but good thing it's worth it to pay more time. Yes, so finally we did it. There are a few colors we can offer based on these new materials, so you can check if there is any other colors you prefer or have an idea for products developed. Please do not hesitate to contact us. You think, we make, because we have our own sewing line, so it will be very easy for us to make your idea come into a product. Okay, hope you understand better about this new material. It is a fabric, has leather fitting and waterproofed. What's more importantly, it is coated, which is ready for sublimation. As we all know that Lopo is focusing on new materials developing for sublimation and always trying to develop a full series of products based on material. So let's check it out what kinds of products we had been prepared for you based on these new materials. First is the pillowcases, sized in 40 by 40 centimeters in white color, which is the most sellable sizes and color in sublimation industry. Second is the notebook. With the successful experience on our A5 and A6 linen notebook, we developed the same design as linen notebook, but based on these new materials. Honestly, I do love it, due it is totally different from linen fabric, but as nice as it could be. Waterproof, printed well, and very soft PU leather touch. And we picked 3 colors as a start. So if you need any other colors, please check our color pattern. Any other colors can be developed for you upon your request. So next, please welcome our printing master Dean to show you how to print and if there is any printing tips for these new materials. of these products is ready to ship, and meanwhile, we get a simple package ready for you, which would include 2 pillowcases, 2 A6 notebook, and 1 A5 notebook, all packed in a very nice gift box. If you are interested, please contact our sales. Then you will be get it with the best way to get it. At last but not the least, please do not hesitate to let us know if you have any idea for the products developed, because we are planning to develop more products based on these new materials. You can leave message as below or contact us at support@lopotech.com. We're happy to hear any creative ideas from you. Thank you for watching. To keep you to be updated on time with all the news from Lopo, please do not hesitate to subscribe our channel. Join us. Let's make life memorable.